you is of the Space Shuttle, but it also has the full rockets and fuel tank. It is a 1/44 scale model by Entex, and it has a launching pad, not accurate at all, but it's supposed also to have a satellite. It has all the decals for all the different shuttles, depending on which one you wanted to make. Picture there. That's the same. So let's have a look inside. It's a fairly large model. So here are our decals, and not bad shape, still probably usable. We have all the different names of the shuttles. Here's our launch pad, also has our windshield. And let's have a look inside here. As you can see, there's a lot of flashing on this here. That's easily removed though. Here's our fuel tank, very large. It's going to be painted orange. Here are our two solid booster rockets. Here's the other one, and the other side of the fuel tank. We have the parts for the rockets. These are the engines. This looks like part of an engine for the back of the shuttle. Fairly well molded, some little details. And now we're getting to parts of the shuttle. So here's the main fuselage of the shuttle. We don't have all the details of the tiles. We have a few details. These are all raised edges, unfortunately. We have some hoses with landing gear. Here are our wheels. And lots of little parts here. We have to look to see what those are for. If they're for possibly something that's inside the cargo bay. And then here are the cargo bay doors. Looks like another one over here, another one over there. So I guess they could be molded for inside or out, or open or closed. Here's the wing as well as lower belly and the tops of the wings. Here we have these are the rockets for the back of the shuttle. Looks like our cockpit for the shuttle. Here's our tail. The back will hold our booster rockets. And not sure what those parts are for. We'll have to have a look. Here are the instructions. Some details about the shuttle. So it shows you how the shuttle takes off. Here's the parts listing. All the parts listing there. So we start off with the shuttle. Tells you also how to paint it at the same time. You build the inside of the cargo bay. So there are the cargo bay doors. I see, so it looks like those are the inside of them. And then the outside could be open or closed. And then the back. Then the booster rockets go on. These are the engines for the shuttle. Then you can have it closed or open. So because I'm going to have mine vertical on the launching pad, I'm probably have the wheels closed. Now we build, looks like a satellite. So some of those parts are for the satellite. And then the external tank, the booster rockets. Booster rockets are then assembled onto the fuel tank. And then putting on the decals. And here's the painting and decal guide. So all in all, some level of detail there. Molding level is okay. This is an older kit, but should be a good build.